The Billy 50 Classic Messenger Bag is the Billy 50 take on the 1980s, 1990s retro messenger bag that was popular with school kids all around the world. Do you remember rushing out to buy one of these and then as soon as you got home you pulled out a texter and then graffitied all over it? Well, I do. I loved mine. But there was a couple of small problems with it. It didn't have any pockets. The new Billy 50 design features a back external pocket, 2 side pockets to slip your mobile phone in, and an internal zipper pocket. Now you could leave the bag as is, or you could gift it with a texter and let the recipient run wild and graffiti theirs and really make it their own. Or, if you prefer, you could add an embroidered panel to the front or the back to personalise it. There are so many options with this bag. It also is a pretty simple sew. Only basic sewing skills are required. It looks difficult, but it's actually not. It's just panels all lined up. So stay tuned, watch the video, and I'll show you how to make this bag step by step.